Hello everyone, Jonas here, and well, today we're going to have a look at nesting if statements and also doing variations of the if statement. So let's just create two variables. For an example, we actually will check if both a username and a password is correct. So we'll do them username as string is equal to Jonas. Dim password as string equal to little guy 546. There we go. Okay, so now we should go down here and we'll do console dot we'll do dim or dim username check username C as string is equal to console.readline dim password C as string console.readline. Okay, so now here we just want console.writeLine, or no, just write, sorry. And we want to do username, and I'm going a little fast for this, but I'll explain afterwards. Console.write password. Okay, so now what we want to do here is if, this is just, we're just assigning variables here, you should be knowing how to do that. So now if username C, which we just created right here, is equal to username, and so now this is another thing, you can do and or you can do or. So and pretty much checks if the username is equal to, or if the username check is equal to username and the password C is equal to password, then. So it says, well, if both the username is correct and the password is equal to the right password, then do whatever's in here. So we'll do, I don't know, console.writeLine locked in, and let's see else. Let's see. Console.writeLine wrong username or password. Okay, so let's try this out. So now we want to do here, I forgot something, did I not? Yeah, I always tend to forget it. Console.readline. Okay, so now what we have here is we want to username. Let's try and do the correct one first. Jonas, and then password little guy 536. Then we go locked in. But if we go ahead and type something like Jonas VH 123, wrong username or password. So, and we could also do something like if it would only show that the username would be correct or something like that. We could also try and do or here. So this would pretty much just do, we could have the correct username and a wrong password, it will still say locked in. Or the other way around. Pete, little guy 536, it will still say locked in. But if we had both wrong username or password. So it's pretty much, here it says, well, if this one is false, then if this one is still true, then do whatever it is in here. But if both are false, then do none of what if is inside the statement here. So that was your little tutorial on, I want to do a little more. Then we can do locked in. But instead of that, we want to do console.write. Yeah, let's try ID, and then we'll do dim idc equal to, oh sorry, as string, no, integer is equal to console.readline, and then we'll do in here, once you have a, this is nesting if statements, we can do then if let's see here, if IDC is equal to let's just do a number, I don't want to make stuff for this, let's say 10, or is more than 10, then do whatever's in here, which would be console.writeLine, your ID is bigger than 10. Okay, so now pretty much I'm just going to run this through really quickly. So it'll be Jonas 536 and then ID. Okay, so now if we go ahead and do 6, then nothing will happen. But if we were to go ahead and do, oh, yeah, there we go, 536, and then we would do 20. Your ID is bigger than 10. But you see, also if we were to do the username and password wrong, it wouldn't even go there, because it is inside of another if statement. So only if the username and password is correct, then it should go in and check the ID. But if the username is not correct, then it will not go ahead and check the ID. So that is nesting statements. You can also have an else if statement, which is checking, well, is the username equal to username? So you could have like username 1. Well, if it's not so, go ahead and down here and do, let's just try this, not gonna run it though. Then down here we'll do else if, yeah, there we go, else if username C is equal to username 2, and then it will do the same thing. But like in that, you might as well do if username C is equal to username 1 or username C is equal to username 2. So there are different ways of doing things that would all work kind of the same. But yeah, this were the tutorial on this thing. I think I remember having some more stuff to teach you, but I'll be uploading videos on the console, no, not console, on the actual Windows application at the same time, so you can go ahead and watch those if you want to do that instead. I think that you have learned enough. But yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys next time.